Are you feeling a bit confused about how to set the range for NSAttributedString? You're not alone. Many developers find this tricky. Today, we're going to clarify how to specify ranges in NSAttributedString so you can get back to coding with confidence. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to format text and the syntax just doesn't seem to make sense. You're not the only one who has stumbled over NS font attribute name and range specifications. Let's dive into the specific questions you have. You want to know how to specify the range for all characters in the text, and also how to set it for just the first 10 characters. Sound familiar? Let's tackle these one by one. Understanding how ranges work in NSAttributedString is crucial. The range defines which part of the string you want to apply attributes to. This can be a single character, a substring, or even the entire string. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with NSAttributedString even easier. To specify the range for all characters in an NSAttributedString, the user can use the entire length of the string. This is done by creating a range that starts at 0 and ends at the length of the string. Next, if the user wants to specify a range for the first 10 characters, they can create a range that starts at 0 and has a length of 10. This is useful for applying attributes to just a portion of the text. Once the user has defined the ranges, they can apply attributes like font or color using the NSAttributedString methods. For example, to set the font for the entire string or just the first 10 characters. Finally, the user can display the attributed string in a UI label or UI text view. This will show the text with the specified attributes applied to the defined ranges. Fun fact, did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? Just imagine how far we've come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests a straightforward method for setting the range in NSAttributedString. They create a mutable attributed string with their desired text, and then apply attributes to the entire string using NSRange. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the length of your string before setting a range. This simple step can save you from unexpected crashes. And there you have it. You now know how to set ranges in NSAttributedString. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.